Many leaders believe vision is about personal ambition or prestige. That's a mistake. A vision that matters only to the leader is not vision, it's ambition. In high-stakes markets like the GCC, US or UK, leaders who prioritize ego over impact fail to inspire or drive sustainable result. True vision is measured by the positive difference it creates for others. Vision must be functional, viable, and future-ready. It needs to be elegant, practical, and compelling, something people can rally behind. Without impact, even the most polished statements remain empty words. Real vision answers three critical questions. What tangible or intangible value do I create for others? Who benefits from my vision? Why will people engage with it? A strong vision stimulates engagement, creates momentum, and multiplies result across teams and markets. Alan Mulally, former CEO of Ford, demonstrates the power of stimulus-driven vision. When he joined in 2006, Ford was near bankruptcy, with 17 billion in losses and employee engagement at rock bottom. By focusing on creating value for employees, customers, and society, he transformed the company. By 2014, Ford earned $7.2 billion, employee engagement hit 91%, and stock soared to $17 per share. The vision was not about Alan Mulally. It was about the impact on people. That focus created measurable results, loyalty, and sustainable growth. Vision without impact fails to engage team, customers, or stakeholders. Leaders who embed value into their vision inspire commitment, reduce friction, and accelerate execution. The stronger the stimulus for others, the faster the organization moves towards measurable results. When leaders create vision with real impact, their teams focus on priorities that matter. Decisions are faster and initiatives succeed. And you? Executives begin to see you as a trusted authority who transforms ambition into actionable, result-driven vision. Assess your vision today. Does it create real value or is it just ambition? Subscribe to learn frameworks that transform insights into measurable impact. Vision is not for you, it's for those it touches. Value creates engagement, and engagement drives results. Subscribe for more elite insights on creating visionary impact.